Hi, this is Janossy. I put up a tutorial just now on how to create the webcam and screen recordings on a Mac. Until recently, I didn't have any experience with a Mac, but having gotten one less than a week ago, I'm really impressed with how easy it is to use. And it's very easy to use it to create simple lesson videos. The kind of video that I'm creating right now, I would call full face because I'm staring at the webcam and you're seeing me talk. The other kind, the screen recording, I think is very handy for teachers, especially those dealing now with remote learning because of the COVID-19 epidemic. This kind of video might introduce the other type. This is a full face video. The other type is a screen recording, also very easily done on the Mac, where you can put pictures up on the screen or photographs of diagrams you might have put on a chalkboard, and you can make a presentation, a short presentation, perhaps 10 or 15 minutes. I would call a lesson video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do this, and because this is a ready reference resource tutorial, you can also download the slides that follow in PDF form to keep as more or less a booklet to remind yourself how to do these things or to review things when you're first catching on. So without any further ado, let's move on to the tutorial.